Alabama IVF ruling. You have spoken out just here forcefully about it. The Vice President did yesterday and continues to on her national tour. The President tweeted about it and issued a written statement.
Yeah.
When might we see him more publicly speak out about this issue? We keep hearing, at least we keep hearing from voters and Democrats who say, where is he on this? Why isn't he talking about an issue of such urgent concern? Presidential focus, time, statement in public instead of on paper is very different than sending you out here or tweeting about it or sending the Vice President on the road.
I mean, look, Ed, I think the President has spoken about what the attack on reproductive rights, what the attack on women being able to make choices on behalf of their own health care and getting the health care that they need, the actions that he has taken, whether it's executive actions and what obviously his agencies have been able to do, DOJ, HHS. I mean, those have been done because of this president. And he has spoken to this many times. The day that Roe was overturned, you heard from the president. The president was the only person that spoke to this on that day. And I would argue that a statement from the president is incredibly powerful, is important. He spoke to this through his statement. And the president has been very clear where he stands. He believes that we need to continue to protect women's right to make a decision, reproductive health decision, pardon me. And that's where we're going to continue to be. That's where he's going to continue to be. And we've been very clear about that.
We've asked about this before. The Congressional Hispanic Caucus is once again concerned they are not being brought in to conversations about potential executive orders and other actions taken by the White House, saying that what they're reading about at least is unacceptable to them and they haven't had much dialogue with the White House about it. Are there any plans to remedy that?
So first, no decisions haven't been made. I want to be very, very clear about that again. And I would say that we are in regular communication, regular contact with members of the Hispanic Caucus, members of the Progressive Caucus, just members of...
Well, they claim they're not.
From my understanding, and I've asked about this, we've been in regular communications with them. And so obviously we respect congressional members. We work very closely with them on many, many issues. We've been in regular communication and regular contact. We just don't have any decisions to make on any executive actions. We just don't have any decisions that have been made, and that may be why they haven't been talked to about that particular issue. But I would say as it relates to immigration, as it relates to what we've been trying to do, certainly as it related to the bipartisan agreement that came out of the Senate, we were in regular discussion. No decision has been made. No decision has been made here. Okay.